Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for documenting my December, and this goes along with Scrap Lift Sunday. Now we are going to be scrap lifting the wonderful Paige Evans, and what I decided to do today is go to the Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, and this one is free as of today only. So as this is going up, it is free. It is in the shop. Actually, it's in the group free where you can download it. And then after today, which is Sunday in the United States on the 8th of December, 2019, or in New Zealand area on Monday. And then after that, it is done for 24 hours. Then it will be in the Etsy shop for her. And what I wanted to do was a tone-on-tone style with the gingham, like checkerboard, reds and blacks and whites. And this kit here is of the 2019 November kit for the hip kit. And I cut out the white background. It's a snowflake one that I did just the center part of it with a little bit of sections. And I left everything else thick. And then I went back into the Cricut and then I cut this same cut file out and then I did it. So there's a slow-mo of it. Now what I did was that I placed it down, and as you can tell, I just placed the tissue paper on the back. I did everything that I normally would do for any other one. I did place this down because I didn't want the red to really stick out, but I wanted it to look like the snowflake and snow's coming down like what was in the sketch that, or like the inspiration that she used from Paige. Now, she went a little bit more. I did do the balloons or the bows and all that kind of stuff. I do quite a bit what she does, but essentially it's still the circle. I went more snowflakes and she did more of the cherries and the wreaths and that kind of stuff. And so I didn't do very much to the picture. This is a fun tradition that I do with my daughter. What I started about 5 years ago. She's 7 now. So about 2, 3, maybe 3. No, she was 4. So about 3 years ago, I started to do where I would leave Christmas flannels of some sort. We would all match. Oh, there's my new cup. I got a new cup and I was drinking coffee. And so every once in a while when you see me not doing anything, I'm drinking coffee in the morning. And it's with my new winter cup that I have. It's got a llama on it and it's Let It Snow in the reds and pinks and everything of this collection. It works out perfect, so I can't wait to get a good picture with it and scrapbook with this one. But anyway, back to the photo. So the photo is of like flannels. Normally I get all of my PJ flannels from Old Navy, and I try to match to the best of my ability with the sizing and everything. So each year we get a new one. I started out with just Kaylin and Austin, and then it grew into the whole family is getting a set of these. And last year, unfortunately, we weren't quite sure if Austin was coming or not. So his leg is that very black area, but it's blue. My husband's and my matches, and Kaylin's does too match. They did the girls flannels with I think lights. They're light, and then mine has, and my husband's have like the snowman and stuff on it. And then I found a darker blue color for Austin because we weren't, like I said, we weren't sure, and he wasn't even sure if he was coming or not for this past Christmas. So since I knew he was coming, I was like, ooh, we got to get him a pair so that all of us can do it, because now the tradition is Sparkles brings them to us right before, as we watch a dinner and a movie right on Christmas Eve. We do a dinner and a movie and popcorn and all that. And so that's what, and then he leaves, or she leaves us with these. And so I do a tradition every year. I've been taking photographs of it, and since our family grew from 3 to 4 during Christmas season, the trying to take this picture to get all of our 4 legs in it is insanely hard. I'm just giving you that because it's a single, it's like me trying to take a selfie with like 20 people in it. It just, I'm like, but I got it to work and it works out well. So that's what the photo is. It is a fun tradition that I started with my daughter. Now my son just is like, oh, it's leggings. My husband's like, oh, it's just pants. But yet I'm telling you right now, he wears all his pants all the time. He loves them things. He may not act it and he may not look it, but he does. I promise you, he wears them all the time. And as long as I don't have to go anywhere, I always have these pants on. It's some way, shape, and form. And then during the summertime, I put on shorts. Like, I don't dress up unless I have to. My hair's in a bun. I am very that casual girl that I will wear a big old nasty bun and sweats to the grocery store if I have to, because I don't care. And I do not wear that leisure wear stuff that's out there. I don't wear that either. It'll literally be flannel pants. I don't care. I will wear these to this grocery store. Doesn't bother me a bit. So I'm making that bow, and I'll get it made. So you'll see me place down a bunch of this stuff, and then because I was digging through, this is the first time me digging through all of this, so I wasn't quite sure what I all had, so I was going through all of it. So I do place a lot of this part on camera, and then I turn my camera off for a little bit, and I get it all glued down, and then I turn it back on, and then I finish it out. Just because I know all of you guys as subscribers, and if you're new to my channel, you'll know this as well. What I do is that I show you a little bit of this, of what I'm using, and then I glue everything, and then I come back. And then finish out the layout. Now, while you're watching all of this, make sure that you go check out the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, because this has this, this is where this cut file is from. I'll link everything down below. Also, make sure that you go check out Laura. Hers and mine are up a little bit later. As you can tell, we're almost a little bit later on December or on Sunday. But if you're watching this the next day or the day after, totally got it. I'm just letting you know we are a little bit late. She had some technical difficulties, and so I mimicked her and I waited for her to put hers up. And that's the beauty of our friendship and our collaboration, that we're kind of like, okay, got it. It's okay. Like, I've been late a couple of times. She's been late. And it works out just wonderful. I love our friendship that we have. Now, if we could only meet in person, that would be even just that much more fantastic. But I'm just going through all of this. There's a lot of pieces to it. And oh my gosh, there's so much ephemera to this. It's crazy. But I ordered another set of papers because I know that I'm going to be using this a lot for this, going on to this year, and then to start using it for this last year, and then starting into the new year with this year's December documented. Now, I am placing down a bunch of different little things. I am finished up. As you can tell, I did place down a bunch of hearts. I got out this jar that's got a candle in it. I'm placing these little things down there. I really don't need to write much on this, as this tradition is something that we have done for many, many years to come, and we're going to keep doing it for years after. I think, even to be really truly honest, I think even after the kids leave, the empty nesters, and leaving us long down the line, once they become, when I have grandkids, and it better be a long time from now. However, when that comes to play, I'm going to love this tradition, and I'll do it with the grandkids. It's a tradition that I want to keep going, and I would love to see maybe Austin and Kaylin do it as well, even in their house and whatnot. It is a tradition that I like, that I started it because we do have the kids in the house and that kind of stuff. So this year, I can't wait. This year I got buffalo plaid. It's either red, white, and black, or black and red. I can't remember which ones I used, but it's something like that, so I can't wait. So I did get in a new shimmers. This is a gold one, and I'm going to leave you with that. Now make sure that you like and subscribe. I'm super duper close to my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I hope that you like what you saw. Make sure you go check out Laura and everything else. All of it will be linked down below. Still shots are coming up. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!